Hey everybody, so we got a quick tool haul. Not really an unboxing because they're already unboxed. They're just in a bag. From Lowe's, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, so I went to Lowe's yesterday as well, and I picked up a couple of these items. So I'll move the bag to the side. So I picked up a larger bottle of the Sta-Bil 360 Performance with vapor technology, 5-in-1 maximizer, cleans fuel system, maximizes miles per gallon, increases power, prevents ethanol damage, and smooths idle. This is a 10 ounce. In a previous video, I showed you guys this guy right here, which is an 8 ounce bottle. It just doesn't give all the information like this one does. This one says fuel treatment and stabilizer. This one does not say that by the sticker. This one says ethanol treatment and stabilizer. This one says with vapor technology. Treats 40 gallons. This one, I'm assuming, will treat about 50 gallons or 60. This will treat 60 gallons. Prevents ethanol damage. This one says ethanol treatment. It doesn't matter. They're the same thing. So, 1 ounce treats 5 gallons. That's how this works. But the reason I bought a bigger bottle was because I have this bottle. This 8 ounce bottle, you can twist this off and refill the main chamber. So I bought this to fill this bottle up when need be. That's all I bought it for. And the funny thing is, this was $8.98, this 8 ounce bottle. This 10 ounce bottle was $7.20 at Lowe's. I bought this at Home Depot, this 8 ounce bottle at Home Depot. I bought this 10 ounce bottle at Lowe's. The 10 ounce bottle was cheaper. But this has the measurements on it where you can squeeze it and push it into the measuring cup. So, it is what it is. I picked up this Pro Select Premium, the ONYX synthetic blend 2-cycle engine oil, designed for all mix ratios. Fuel stabilizer is what it says. Fuel stabilizer. 1 gallon of gasoline, suitable for use as safety mix in any other today's 2-cycle engines that require 50-to-1, 40-to-1, 32-to-1, and 16-to-1 ratios. It's got the 50-to-1, which is 2.6, and the 40-to-1, which is 3.2. Or 50-to-1 is 3.2 ounces by itself. 40-to-1 is 6.4 ounces. So you do that twice. And 2.6, I believe, is the like 60-to-1 or something like that. But I didn't buy this because I necessarily needed the oil. I have plenty of oil. I actually have oil outside as well in my barn. So I have this guy right here, this cheap generic Super Tech from Walmart. I have my Still Oil HP Ultra. This guy, a Pro Select. Another one, because there's one down there in a bag. And I have Echo Power Blend Gold in my barn, and the Echo Red Armor. So I have plenty of oil. I did not buy this for the oil. Eventually, the oil will be used. I bought it because this main chamber has a refillable neck. That's why I bought it. Because none of these other ones are refillable. Like this one. This one I bought just to test. I will probably also be buying the heart version, which is like black. Let me grab my phone. I'm going to grab my phone. Walmart has VP small engine fuels. I have this one. And Black Max with the bear on it. Full synthetic, 2-cycle engine oil. They also have one sitting right next to it. So the Black Max full synthetic is this really, really dark blue. This one right here. This one right next to it is a semi-synthetic, and it's made by Black Max as well. Walmart, though, on the other hand, does have the Sta-Bil, this version for the Marine. But they also have the 32-ounce bottles of the standard Sta-Bil gas treatment. 32-ounce bottle for $8.88. Home Depot wants $12 for this bottle. So that might be something you guys might want to look at too. I've looked at a lot of these. I actually have this VP 2-cycle full synthetic oil. It's red. The thing is it's not going to hurt to have all of these oils. Or these two right here and what I have over there. I have the still over there. I have this VP on the ground right here next to my right side. My red armor and the Power Blend Gold from Echo. Because in reality, I can use all of these, test them, see what differences they make in the weed eater. And that would be content for you guys. That would be giving me helpful ways to give you guys my opinion on which oil to buy. You know, the super cheap Super Tech from Walmart or the Pro Select from Lowe's, which I just wanted the double capped container. That's what I wanted. Or, the VP small engine synthetic from Walmart, which this says ethanol protection, easy starting, 12-month fuel stabilizer. So if you put this in your gas, it will last 12 months. And it will stabilize it. And it has ethanol protection in it. Which the funny thing is that's what this 360 Performance does. This 360 Performance, this liquid is red. It's a brownish red. And if you add regular Sta-Bil to it, which is what I showed you on the phone, this guy right here, if you add this Sta-Bil storage to it, this is red. And then this is a light red with kind of like a brownish yellow hue to it. So if you add regular Sta-Bil and 360 Performance to that bottle down there, it actually it will make it look blood red. Some of these oils come with a protectant in it, like 360, a prevent ethanol damage protectant, as well as a clean fuel system protectant. Some of them don't. Some, I'd assume this universal pre-mix 2-cycle, it's cheap. I paid $5 for this. It does 32 to 1, 40 to 1, and 50 to 1. Or you can do 100 to 1 if you choose. That's your choice. This one, the Pro Select, shows 50 to 1, 40 to 1, 32 to 1, and 16 to 1 ratios. Like I said, I didn't buy the one at Lowe's because I wanted the oil. I bought it because I wanted the refillable head. So when this is empty, I can put in all of the red armor I want, or whatever select oil I want to put in it. I know AMSOIL has a oil I would love to try as well. It's called Sabre Performance, if I remember correctly. Sabre Performance 2-stroke oil. You can get it directly from AMSOIL for like $13 for a quart. So Amazon is way too expensive for a quart. Sometimes it doesn't want to fucking load for whatever reason. Not really sure why. That's what it looks like. It's AMSOIL Sabre Professional Synthetic 2-stroke oil. The difference is, though, Sabre does really well in 100 to 1 ratios, 80 to 1 ratios. But you can use it in 50 to 1, 40 to 1, 32 to 1, 30 to 1, 16 to 1, 12 to 1. You could use it in whatever you're comfortable with. It works well at the least amount required, though. But it actually, I would like to test the AMSOIL Sabre Professional Synthetic 2-stroke oil. This right here. I'd like to test this and do scope. You know, remove the spark plug and scope the piston hat and see how, after, you know, a couple seasons of use, see how dirty the piston hat is on this guy, and use Echo's red armor for several months, and then re-scope this down here and see how much cleaner red armor Echo's red armor has made it. And then I'd like to do the same test, but with this AMSOIL Sabre. If you guys think that's a great idea, let me know. Let me know if you guys want me to try that. You know, let me know if you guys want me to do testing on these. You know, physically put these in, use them, and show how bad some of the cheaper ones are, or if the, you know, more expensive ones don't do it, but show how they physically foul up the motor, and, you know, show which ones are better. You know, is the VP from Walmart better than the SuperTech? Is the Black Max from Walmart better than the SuperTech? Is the Black Max better than the VP from Walmart? Is the Pro Select from Lowe's better than Echo Power Blend Gold? Or is the Gold better than it? You know, is the Red Armor better than the Power Blend Gold that Echo makes? You know, is the AMSOIL Sabre better than all of them? You know, from what I'm being told, the AMSOIL Sabre right here is better than all of them. There's a lot of people that love it. But I'm gonna cut the video here. It's been 14 minutes. Kind of rambled. Hopefully I gave you guys some helpful ideas. Leave comments down below on the ideas I gave. You know, what you guys would like to see. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I appreciate you. Peace.